Looking for a washer to handle your family's laundry needs easily? Let the Bosch Series 8 washing machine do the work. It's able to handle up to 8 kg of laundry, suitable for your family's needs. It comes with a 65-litre drum and a maximum spin speed of 1,400 RPM that removes excess water to save you time on drying. This washing machine is equipped with Drum's breakthrough wave droplet and paddle design that provides a thorough yet gentle treatment even for the finest fabrics. You can now say goodbye to the pain of removing tough stains on your favorite clothes. Even at the highest spin speed, the EcoSilence Drive offers a quiet wash with high energy efficiency. The anti-vibration side panels reduce vibrations and ensure greater stability during washing and spinning while being exceptionally quiet. The washing programs on the dial allows you to choose the suitable washing cycle intuitively. With this handy helper in your home, you can spend time on what matters to you.